Welcome to this Solid Mastermind top tip for Solid Edge. Before we start, remember you can access many more of these great videos by registering for a free Top Tips membership over at solidmastermind.com. In this session, we'll look at another way we can reuse geometry within Solid Edge. This time we'll focus on the use of the feature library within a synchronous model and the ability to reuse common geometry time and time again. Here we have a model which has a mounting boss and ribs on the top face that we wish to place into our feature library. Again, this is very easy to do in a synchronous model. We'll first select the geometry. This can be done from the Pathfinder, but in this case we'll just drag a box around it. As we discovered before, the location of the steering wheel with respect to the geometry is important, as it helps with the positioning later. As such, we'll reposition the steering wheel. We'll hold Shift and select the origin. Then move it to the centre of the circular edge. Holding the Shift key means the orientation of the steering wheel is maintained. Once this is done, we can hit the Copy command to place the geometry on the clipboard. Then change to the Feature Library tab in the Edge bar. Right-click and choose Paste. Then we can give it an appropriate name. Finally, to use the feature library geometry, we can simply drag and drop it into the desired part. Our job of positioning the geometry is nice and easy because we were careful about where the steering wheel was placed originally. Highlighting this face and hitting F3 will set the orientation and allow us to place it. Once the geometry is placed, we can join it to the model by right-clicking on the new face set in Pathfinder and choosing Attach. If you liked this video, please comment on it using the space below. And remember, to access many more of these great Solid Edge videos, please register for a free Top Tips membership over at solidmastermind.com.